and we gone, and we gone. Thank you for checking back in. This is Mechanic Hustle. I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a brake change, rear brake change on the 2012 Impala SS, and we're gonna get that started. I'm gonna get right back with you. All right, just like I tell you, always part of the process. First things you do, want to make sure your jack stand is up. Make sure you got your jack up, and we start getting the lug nuts loose just a little bit before we get it off the ground. And I'm all the way down to the last one now. And we got the key off. I'll rock this one out, and we'll be good to go. I'm gonna get right back with you once we get this wheel off. All right, so the next part of this process, got the caliper off. And you see we have the disc in the back, and have my pad for the disc. I'll hook my socket wrench onto that. We're gonna screw that back in. We have a stem problem, or we're gonna get that next time. He's not serious about it today, so we're gonna do that next time. We got the new brakes, old brakes. They was definitely ready to come off. I wanna make sure you get these when they get low like this. I don't wanna have to create more problems to them. We're gonna change the hardware. We got brand new hardware. So we're gonna get this on here. Get it popping. Back out here. Back out here with no gloves again. That's what I do. Change the hardware up in here. Oops. That switched out right there. This hardware swap in with the old hardware. Pad was still pretty good. We'll be slapping these new ones on here. Put this back on. Set the cover. That's in place right there. So next what we're gonna do, I'll be hooking this up. And certain brakes are different, so this was the side that I was using on this particular car. Was these closer ones, closer to each other. The easiest way to do similar wrench down, slap my extension on, turn it to tighten, slap it inside the box. And I got these nuts to sit up in here. I'll be working those in. I'm gonna be right back with you. Alright, that's pretty much it to the process. Got the lug nuts back on, new pads, everything good. Got the wheel down. We're gonna tighten these lug nuts down. Now that the wheel got a little bit more weight on it, make sure everything good. That's the end of this video. Appreciate you checking back in. Peace. And we gone, and we gone.